Hello everyone, this video is about how to increase the download speed in Google Chrome to improve the performance if it's running slow. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Open up your Google Chrome browser and then in the browser type chrome:/flags and then press enter. On the top it says search flags, so just type in there parallel download and press enter. Then you will see this parallel downloading, which underneath saying enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. So on the right side, just click on the side in here and then select enable. So once you enable this, what this will do, it will double up the speed of downloading. Okay, now we can just open up the run. So you can just hold Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up run. And then in there, just type ncpa.cpl and then press OK. So the network connections window will open up, and in here if you're using wired connection you need to select this one. If you're using Wi-Fi you need to use this one. So I'm using Wi-Fi, I will go ahead with this one. So just right click on Wi-Fi and then select properties. Here you have this option says Internet Protocol version 4. Just select this one and click on properties. And over here just select this option, use the following DNS server address. So for preferred DNS server just type in there 1.1.1.1 and alternative DNS server it should be 1.0.0.1. By using this IP address it will help the response time and also it will improve the browsing speed. Okay, once it's done just click OK and close everything. Open up your Google Chrome browser again and on the top click on these three dots to go to settings. So just click on settings. On the left side click on privacy and security and then over here select security. Scroll down until you see this option, it says use secure DNS, so make sure this is enabled. And then underneath it says with your current service provider, so normally this is checked by default. So in here we're going to do some changes. We need to select this option, it says with, and then in the drop down just open it up and select this one, Cloudflare. Once you selected this one, on the left side look for this option system, just click on it. Then over here it says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So make sure you disable this one. I have already done it, so make sure you disable this one and then close the browser. Okay, the next step we need to run the command prompt. So just go to search bar and type in there cmd, then right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, once you open the command prompt, type this command in there, ipconfig /flushdns and then press enter. This command will flash the old DNS. So as you can see it says successfully flashed the DNS. Okay, so now you need to restart your device and then after that open your Chrome browser to check the performance and download speed. And that's all. Please let me know in the comments below if this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.